Hello friends, welcome to Macnotech YouTube channel. Friends, now we are going to start a new chapter that is vibrations, and this is the first part which is introduction to mechanical vibrations. So let us see the definition of vibration. So if any body which is in a steady condition and when we apply the external force and then release the force, and this body if having a cyclic motion, okay, then it is called the vibration. Okay, so any body such as spring, shaft, beam, okay, and is displaced from equilibrium position by external force and then release it having a cyclic motion, in this is called the vibration, right? So for vibration, two things is necessary, that is mass and elasticity. If these two things present in a body, then it's a capable of vibration, right? Now, which are the cause for the vibrations, which are the reasons for the vibration? So first reason is unbalanced force, or we can say couple, right? So you know about the couple and unbalanced force, okay. Then second is external excitation force, like in a motor, in IC engine, reciprocating force. So external excitation force is caused to the vibration. Then drive friction, if two body, okay, move relative to each other and they having a surface roughness, and because of drive friction over here, it will be the vibrate. Then winds, you can see a large bridges vibrate due to the winds, right? Then because of earthquakes also cause the vibrations, right? Now disadvantage of the vibration, which are the disadvantage? So it create the high stress on machine parts, okay. So we can say machine parts life is decrease. It lead to loosening of assembled parts, okay, like nut and bolt. If vibration goes continuously, then nut and bolt assembly and screw assembly, like it may be loosen, right? It may be lead partial or complete failure of machine part. Suppose there is a machine which having a capability of 10 years running condition, so it may be decrease that capability, okay, maybe 5 year because of vibrations. It create undesirable noise also. So these are the disadvantage of vibration. Now let us see the advantage of vibration. So there is always one thing in our mind, that vibration always have disadvantage, but there is advantage of vibration also. All musical works on the phenomenon of vibrations, okay. So all musical works, all musics and all that works on the vibrations, right? Second is vibrating screens, shakes and conveyors works on the phenomenon of vibration, okay. So shakes and like a conveyor, if we want to grading something, like then we are using conveyor for grading purpose, so at that time vibration is used. And stress relieving equipment like head massager, okay, so in that also we use the vibrator, right? Now method of reducing the effect of undesirable vibration, which are the method that we can use for undesirable vibration, okay, reduce the undesirable vibrations. So first method is by remove the unbalanced couple. We have to remove the unbalanced couple. For this we have seen the chapter that is balancing, okay. We have to balance the things, right, in a fan or anything which is having a rotating or reciprocating motion. Now second is place machinery on a proper type of vibration isolator, okay. So if machinery is heavy and moving part in that machinery, then we have to put that machinery on the vibration isolators, okay. We have to make such arrangement so it will be less vibrate. By putting soundproof screen or glass, okay, so we can reduce the vibration by using soundproof screen or glass. In theater, in mall, you have seen the soundproof absorber over there, okay. So by using that we can reduce the echo effect, right? So by using the shock absorber also we reduce the effect of undesirable vibrations. So these are the basic introduction about the vibrations. Next we will see the terminology and basic concept as well as different types of vibrations. So friends, if you like this video, then press the like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.